It's 12:23 a.m. Today I'm eating McDonald's. A comer. Take a bite, take a bite, take a bite. Let's see what we got in here. Papitas, they out here skimping me. I ate a few, but a few ain't gonna turn into that. It is what it is. Popote. This is a high C. Hot honey chicken McCrispy or something like that. And it has bacon. You see it. Si tú no le muerdes, yo le muerdo. The sweet sauce in that sandwich tastes like they made it with chile de árbol. That's definitely a good sandwich. Shit, I'm digging it. Papitas. Dale una mordida, que te tardas. I wonder, did the lighting get better? What's your favorite food on the McDonald's menu? Dale una mordida. I don't know what them crispy bits are. I ain't gonna lie, that's a good chicken sandwich. Last bite. That was a perfect chicken sandwich. That was good as hell. Very impressive. High C.